Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with SuperTokens in Retool. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with SuperTokens in Retool, start by logging into your Retool dashboard. Create a new application or open an existing one. Navigate to the Resources section in your Retool dashboard. Click on the Create New button to add a new resource. Select REST API from the list of options. In the resource configuration, enter a name for your SuperTokens API. Set the base URL for your SuperTokens instance. Make sure to select the appropriate method for authentication. Scroll down to the Headers section and add the required headers. You may need to include your API key or other authentication tokens as specified by SuperTokens. Next, navigate to the Queries section. Click on New to create a new query. Select the SuperTokens resource you just created. Choose the appropriate endpoint for authentication, such as sign-in or sign-up. Configure the query parameters according to your application. You may need to include user credentials like email and password in the body of the request. Save the query and run it to test the authentication process. Check the response from the SuperTokens API to ensure successful authentication. If successful, you can now use the authentication tokens in your application. Utilize these tokens for accessing other protected resources within your application. Make sure to handle errors and invalid credentials gracefully in your queries. This setup allows you to leverage SuperTokens' robust authentication features in your Retool application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.